Hi guys, I bought a new weed trimmer, a really awesome weed trimmer. And one of the things that the newer trimmers are coming with are predetermined or preset cords. And they're nice because I have an attachment that goes on my handheld weed trimmer. Now this one takes a much smaller set of cords. Not anything near as beefy as the big new one I got. You can buy this, you can go to Lowe's or Home Depot or go to Amazon and get it. But the idea behind this is you push it through the one end and then it comes out the other. So if you have your strings that are a set length like this, then you've got 10 or 15 of them with you when you're out in the field, and it makes it nice so you don't have to come back in and cut a new cord and stuff like that. So the new trimmers are nice, and changing the pieces out of it are very easy. You can have smaller ones, or you can have big, massive ones like this on a new. This is a walk behind, basically weed trimmer or string trimmer that it's got some beef to it. But one of the problems that you face is these things are unruly. So what are you going to do? Stick them through your belt loop, stick them in your pocket. They're kind of a pain in the rear end, no matter what you've got going on there. The only way it seems to not be an issue is when you have the old kind that as you tap it down on the ground, it keeps spooling more out. But then you're dealing with just one little cord, and they're not as effective. So I like these new trimmers. I like that they've got the preset pieces. You just cut yourself some of the preset length, and now you have a whole set of spares you can take out with you. But what are you going to do with these? They're awfully unruly. You can't stick them in your pocket or anything. So I started thinking about it tonight, and I came up with a really simple hack or solution to this problem. So I have 6 of them here, and what I did was I took a piece of Schedule 20 half-inch PVC, have a little cap on the end of it. You can get this at Lowe's or a hardware store. And then basically you would just put these into your tube. Now you want to make your tube just a little bit smaller than your cords so that you don't actually have the ability to push them all the way down. They stop because they hit the PVC end cap at the bottom. 2 zip ties, and you're ready to go. Now I'm out in the field. I can trim, I can do whatever, and if one breaks, I just pull it out, and I've got another cord I can put in there. I could probably keep 12 of these in here. I only have 6 in there right now, but you've certainly got enough that you won't need to run back to the house to make more of them if you've got your little, it's like a quiver of arrows, but it's the equivalent for string trimmers. Now, when you have a smaller trimmer like this one that takes these type of heads, you don't need such a long piece of PVC because the little pieces that you put in there and loop around are only going to be short. So you would just attach it to your pole there, or if you have a trimmer like this. In fact, the head that I had over there is the one that goes on here. I've got blades in here now, but I can swap it out and put the other one on that takes the cord. You could just attach it with zip ties to right here and be good to go, or up here. Basically all your trimmers have some type of pole that you could attach the piece of PVC to. So piece of PVC, an end cap, 2 zip ties, and you've got yourself a string trimmer quiver. It's a pretty simple hack, but it really, in my mind as I was thinking through this, I don't want to be a quarter mile down the lane trimming something and have to come back for a cord, for a new trimmer cord, and by having them preset and already cut with you, it makes it really convenient. So that's it. Take care.